Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Thakur. Welcome to my YouTube channel Shivan's Tech guys. I hope you all are doing well practice in your AutoCAD learning sessions. And guys, today we are going to understand the most useful and a very interesting lengthen command in AutoCAD. Basically, lengthen command most of the times interviewer may ask to you, so it's a very useful command. Let's understand this, and we can activate the lengthen command by entering LEN as a short key in a command bar and then enter. So lengthen command is basically used to know the length of any object or increase or decrease the length according to our requirement. So let's understand this. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming videos. Alright guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. For understanding the lengthen command, let's draw a line here, something like this of 15 mm. Then press enter. Give the dimension here just to know what is the length of this line. Guys, this line is of 15 mm, you can see. Alright guys, we can activate the lengthen command. For activating this, we need to go here in the modify command bar and we can select lengthen command from here. I just click here and the lengthen command has been activated. Now this is asking select an object to measure. We need to measure for the object. I just click here and the command gives the message that the current length is 15 mm. So alright guys, now it's 15 mm. There are 4 options in lengthen command. Number first one is delta, number second percentage, number third total, and number fourth is dynamic. So guys, we will understand all the 4 options one by one. Let's understand firstly delta. Delta we can click here to select and we can enter DE to activate delta. Delta is basically used to increase the length. We know the current length is 15 and we wanna increase the length 10 mm or maybe 5 mm. So we get the value that we wanna increase, that would be of delta value. So now the current value is 15 of this length and I wanna increase the length approx 10 mm here. So I'm gonna increase 10 mm length. So I'll enter 10 here in the delta length. I just enter 10 and then press enter. Now this is asking for the select object. If you will select from this side, so object will extend to this side like this. And if you wanna increase once more, so you can click anywhere, here or here, anywhere you can click. So now once it's enough to increase the height length, I just click and then press enter. Now we can see our object, our line has been increased the length. Now it's of 25 mm length. So alright guys, I hope you understand. Let's understand once more. Let's understand the different feature. That is, again select lengthen by entering LEN, then space. Now this time we are going to understand the percent. Guys, percent, we use percent in lengthen command. Every object that we have is of 100%. If you wanna increase or decrease, you have to enter the value of that object that you want in percentage. Now it's 25 mm. Now you wanna increase the 50 mm. Means 50% you wanna increase the length of this object. So the percentage would be that you have to enter is 150. Or let's suppose you wanna take the half of this length. Now it's 25. And you wanna take 12.5, that percentage would be 50%. So now I can enter 50% here because it's of 100% now. I am entering 50% here and then enter. Now our object will be decreased. Now this is asking to select object. If I'll select from this side, so object will be decreased from here. I'll press it and the object will be decreased here. Then press enter. You can see our object is of half length. Alright guys, let's take it back and let's, now this time we will increase the length by using percentage LEN, then enter, select percentage. Now this is of 25 mm. Now we are gonna increase the length. I'm gonna enter 200 percent length, then enter. Now we can just click here, then press enter. We can see our object that we have now is of 200%, but still we will use again the lengthen command on this, then the object that we have, that is of 100%. So alright, I hope you understand the delta and the percent command. Let's understand once more. We can use lengthen command on arc also as well as. So let's draw a arc here. We can IRC for activating the arc command. I just enter, select start point. This is asking for the end point. Okay, this is the arc that I have drawn here. So let's understand delta and percentage on this also. So guys, LEN for activating the lengthen command, select delta here. Now select the object first. I just click. Now this is showing the length is of 21 mm and the inclined angle is 155 degree. From this point to this point, this is of 155 degree. Now you have select the delta here. Now if you want to increase or decrease the length, then you can enter a value here. Now the length is of 21 mm and you want to increase the 4 mm length, then press enter, and then select the value. 4 mm length has been increased now. Alright guys, then press enter. It's done. Now if you wanna again select delta and if you wanna change the angle, so you can, and then just select once again lengthen command, select object. Now angle is of 183 and let's select delta here and then select angle. We can give the value positive or negative. We can increase or decrease the angle. Now it's 183 and let's take this angle 90 mm, 90 degree that we want. So we need to enter negative angle, negative 93. I'm gonna enter as, just click here and enter. Now this is asking select object. I just click here and we can see now the angle is of 90 degree. So we can select the arc length and the angle also, 90 degree. So I hope you understand the concept on this, how we can use. Let's understand percentage also on this. LENs again, select, click on percentage. This is of 100% length, and if you want to increase this 50%, so you have to enter 150 here, 150, then enter, select an object to change. I just click here and then press enter. We can see that is of 135. So alright guys, I hope you understand how it works. Let's understand the next option, lengthen command. Here is of option of third option is total. So guys, the length is of 25 mm and there is an option of total. We have to enter the total value that we want of that object that we will get. Now I want this object of 40 mm, then I need to enter here 40 mm. I just click here and press enter, select the object. It has been increased, then press enter. Now you will get the object of 40 mm. So in this option you have to enter the value that you wanna get, the total value. And the last option in lengthen command, that is dynamic. For activating a dynamic, you can enter dy or you can click here. I enter dy here. It's a dynamic, basically used, it's a freehand. In this we don't need to enter any value. We can increase or decrease the length freehand according to our requirement. I just click here and we can see from here to here we can increase the length according to our requirement. Again select here, again increase here. We can see we can increase or decrease. I just increase this height now. Now if I'm gonna decrease, so I can here something like this and then press enter. Our old object has been diamonded. So alright guys, I hope you understand and enjoyed this tutorial of lengthen command. I hope this is informative for you. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming videos. Thanks for clicking.